Is your HP OfficeJet 3830 printing everything in black and white or skipping colors altogether? Well, this is a pretty common issue, and it's usually come down to a few reasons like clogged printhead, low or expired ink cartridges, incorrect printer settings, or even outdated printer drivers. But don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through effective methods that'll get your OfficeJet 3830 printing in full color again in just a few minutes. But if you need more help, then give us a call at the numbers on the display for one-on-one expert help. So let's get started with the solutions now. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset your printer manually. Make sure your OfficeJet 3830 is turned on. Check that the power cord is plugged directly into the wall outlet, not a power strip. While the printer is still on, unplug the power cord from the printer. Now unplug the other end from the wall outlet. Just wait a full minute. This gives the printer power to proper reset. After a minute, plug the cord back into the outlet, then back into the printer. Press the power button to turn your printer on. Still facing the issue? Let's check whether your printer driver needs an update, since an outdated driver can cause printing issues too. Method 2. Update the printer driver via Device Manager. Click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Queues section. Find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the windows that open, choose Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will find and install the latest versions for you. If your printer is still acting up, don't worry. One last method should clear things up. Method 3. Delete all print jobs. On the computer, double-click on the printer icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the windows that opens, right-click on any pending HP print job and select Cancel. When the confirmation box pops up, click on Yes to confirm. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.